it's a matter of falling out and falling in love. You cannot really control when you will fall out of love and when someone else will fill it in. Maybe if I was in a serious relationship, hindi ko agad-agad may entertain ang anyone else agad-agad. Parang mahirap gawin. I don't think it's a matter of the 3 months rule. I think ang pinaka-ano ko lang dyan is you just have to be honest na kung ano na talaga yung situation mo with the person.
I think you should be honest to yourself. And minsan, yung nabanggit ko nga kasi na baka mag-remote kasi I think ito nangyayari mapababae, mapalalaki. Yung minsan ngayon parang baka infatuated ka lang.
Especially if you were hurt. You don't want someone else to be hurt the same way you were hurt.
Yes.
Or hurt someone else the other way around. Kung ikaw yung nasaktan, ayaw mo naman sigurong masaktan
makasakit ka.
Makasakit ka.
Yes.
Kung ikaw naman yung nanakit, gusto mo na naman bang manakit ng iba? Siguro hindi na tama yun.
Correct. Pa-check up ka. Joke lang.